If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error in 2026, this quick fix can usually get you back in within a minute. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to follow so you can troubleshoot the issue fast and get X working again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, click your browser extension icon at the top right of your screen, then find your Adblocker extension and click the option to turn off Adblocker for x.com. Ad blockers can sometimes interfere with X loading properly, so this is an important first step. Next, press Ctrl, Shift and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Once that window appears, make sure you select Cookies and Cache, then clear them from your browser. This removes old data that may be causing the error to appear. After that, check whether you have a VPN enabled. If you do, disable the VPN and try loading x.com again. Some VPNs can trigger access problems or make the site behave incorrectly. After completing these steps, refresh the page and sign in again if needed. In many cases, that's enough to fix the x.com or Twitter error and get everything working normally again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fast troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.